Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a straight lady comb wrap. So we're using a straight grip, sometimes referred to as a right to left because it's the man's right hand, lady's left hand. And if you've got some experience of combs, that's going to be helpful because this isn't the first comb you ever want to learn. In fact, I'll put a link in the description below to a clip which shows you all the basic variations of the combs so you can find out how they all work. But the move looks like this. Go 7 and 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Lots of ways out, but we'll talk about that a little bit more later. So first off, this is a straight grip, so man's right, lady's left. So we get our semicircling back. We could have started two hands and then let go with the left, but this is the important bit of what we're doing. So we need to make a comb happen from here. The way we're going to do that is, guys, palm up, lift. We're going to take our elbow over to the left so we can see a loop between us, and we're going to take that loop over the lady. If I turn slightly, you'll see this is the loop, and we just take that loop over the lady's head, which then allows us to place our right hand palm down on the lady's shoulder. We could just push, slide the lady away and catch. Yeah, that would be our straight lady comb, but we're going to do a wrap off it. So all we're going to use, that hand on the shoulder, we're going to rotate the lady to her left whilst bringing her towards us. We turn to our left as well, hand is on the far shoulder so we can stop the lady. We're going to pick up that spare hand so it doesn't get trapped, and we stop the lady's weight as she's coming in. Okay, then we just send the lady back. So there's a little sway, bringing the lady forward. As soon as we send her out, we roll this right hand down the arm to pick up the other hand, so we end up in an accordion grip and either hang on and do an accordion move or let go and just end up with a right-handed return. Okay, so your choice. So let's think numbers. We go semicircle back, make sure you're now in a straight grip. 1, we go over the lady for the comb. 2, rolling around for the rotation. 3, and stop, picking up the hand. 4, we go back. 5, forward. 6, send the lady out. 7, and then we can return. 8 and back. 1. Okay, so let's try it. It goes 7 and 8, back, comb, rotate, stop, back, forwards, face, return and back. And that is that. Hope you enjoy it. Use it somewhere on a dance floor soon. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. We'll be back with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip soon. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to in the little windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.